Hello guys, so this is our first video of natural language processing. In this video we will see the introduction of natural language processing. So now begin. So what is natural language processing? So first we have to understand what is natural language. Okay. So natural language refers to a human language such as English, Russian, German or Japanese as distinct from the typically artificial command or programming language with which one usually talks to computer. So natural language just a human language in which we communicate. Like in India we communicate in Hindi, Punjabi, Marathi, etc. So natural language is the language of human, and this is distinct from the typically artificial command or programming language like C++, C, Java. This is not like a programming language. So natural language means our human language. So how much text we see each day? We see the text in lot of forms like signs, menus, emails, SMS, web pages and document. So these all are the forms of text, and natural language is a human language, and we see all these text in the form of human language. Now understand what is natural language processing. Natural language processing is a branch of artificial intelligence that helps computers understand, interpret and manipulate the human language. Okay, so computer can only understand the artificial command language or our programming languages. Computer cannot understand Hindi, English, Marathi, Japanese, German, etc. So natural language processing is a branch of artificial intelligence that helps to computer that understand, interpret and manipulate the human language. So computer can also communicate in our language, our human language like Hindi, English, etc. And NLP makes it possible for computer to read text, hear speech, interpret, measure sentiment and determine which part are important. Now look, NLP makes it possible for computers to read text. Computer cannot read text, it can only read the commands. Okay, and we know computer works on the binary inputs or outputs. Okay, so NLP makes it possible for computers to read text. The computer can also read the text, hear the speeches what we are saying, that is recognized by the computer, interpret it and measure the sentiment. Sentiment means the feel what we want to say, the feel behind our talk. Okay, so computer can also do these things, means like a human behavior. So this makes possible by natural language processing. And also computer can parse which parts are important. Now we will see some applications of natural language processing. First is speech recognition. Speech recognition, you know, like our Google Assistant or Alexa. Sentiment analysis, we will talk about it later. Okay, machine translation. Machine translation means translation from one language to another language. Okay, chatbots, we know about the chatbots like Zomato chatbots. Okay, Zomato chatbots where there is human who is delivering the message. Like we say this is customer, our customer is delivering the message and he got the reply from a bot, not from a human. Bot means you can say a small robot which is giving him the reply. Document clustering, we can cluster the same type of document in the same place. Like if we have several documents about news article, so we can interpret that these documents are about news article, so we can cluster them in the same place. So this is a basic application, and this is it about the introduction, and we will say how NLP process from the next video. So thanks.